factoring trinomials in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c, where a is 1. All right, so notice that we're only going to be dealing with coefficients that have a leading coefficient when a is 1. All right, so let's take a look at this here, and the process is pretty simple. I want to factor a squared plus 9a plus 20. Again, factoring is just a fancy way of saying that I want to turn some addition or subtraction polynomial into a multiplication. And so if I want to turn this into a multiplication without going into the underlying math of where this really all comes from, what you're trying to do is that you're trying to find two numbers that multiply to get us 20 and that have a sum of 9a. So I have a cool little tool here. If you just kind of do like an x, put the last number on top, 20, and put the b in the denominator, actually not denominator, just on the bottom of the x right here. So now you want to find two numbers now that multiply and give us the top, and its sum is going to give us 9. And that would just be simply 5 and 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. 5 times 4 is 20. So this is very helpful. These two numbers are really what we need to factor a squared plus 9a plus 20. So if you factor that, the answer is actually a plus 5 times a plus 4. You say, what, dude? Okay, so check this out. We can verify that this is the answer by distributing this right here. If you were to go and multiply a times a and get a squared, a times 4 is 4a, 5 times a is 5a, and 5 times 4 is 20. So multiplying those, and now I could add those together, so I get a squared plus 9a plus 20. Look at this. A squared plus 9a plus 20. A squared plus 9a plus 20. So this was a sum, and then I turned it into a product, a multiplication, and that's basically what factoring is. And then I checked my answer by multiplying it all out. So really, this is the answer right here. We were done. I just wanted to verify that that actually was the answer by distributing this and getting back my original problem. So again, this is the process right here. And again, like you make like an X, a diamond, and you put the C on top and you put the B on the bottom. Okay, and you're trying to figure out two numbers right here that multiply to get the top, and when you add, you get the bottom. That's what you're trying to find. All right, so let's look at this right here. We're going to do the same thing. You could do like your little X again, 10 on top, negative 7 on the bottom. Two numbers that multiply and give us 10 and add to get negative 7. So we have a negative now. So I know 5 and 2 give me 10 and 7, but I want a negative 7. So if I want a negative 7, also both of these must be negative then, because negative 5 times negative 2 is a positive 10. And when you add those, you get negative 7. So our answer is b minus 5 and b minus 2. And you can check your answer again by multiplying it out. And I'm just going to do that here for this example as well. B times b is b squared. B times negative 2 is negative 2b. Negative 5 times b is negative 5b. And that's going to give us maybe positive 10. Add those together. So b squared minus 7b plus 10. B squared minus 7b plus 10. Same. We're good.